Hi everybody, this is Teacher Momo coming to you from my classroom here in Ecuador. Sorry I'm getting this video out late. It's been pretty busy. I've been doing a lot of drawing with the Canadian woman. I'm working on my Japanese woman for this week, and I'm also teaching a American woman class. So I've been doing a lot of drawing. Now I'm doing this video because last week some people didn't really like our hockey player. I do think it maybe it's because she is a little bit bigger than the girls we have been drawing. I want to do this video to remind you that women, girls, we come in all different shapes and sizes and colors, and we can all be beautiful. So we're going to be drawing this ice hockey player from Canada as a reminder that women, girls are different but beautiful still. Let's go. So we're going to start with a piece of paper. I'm just going to be using half of my piece of paper so you can see better doing this drawing. And again, I'm going to be starting with the diamond shaped head. And we're going to give her a helmet. We're going to have some hair coming out of the helmet. And then we're going to be working with straight lines due to her body. Let's go. So here's my diamond shape. Triangle, triangle, diamond. Now let's give her a helmet. So we're going to have a line coming down, kind of making a right angle, going across, and then coming down. This is her helmet. We're going to give her some buttons. So here we do a triangle, and let's do 3 squares on top. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to still give her her closed eyes. So here's 1 closed eye, 2 closed eye, eyelashes, eyelashes, eyebrow, eyebrow. Okay. Squiggly line for the nose. And let's give her a smile. Closed mouth smile. So half of a heart. Okay. How's it looking? Good. Good. Let's make her neck. So we're going to have her neck come down, curve out for a shoulder, neck come out, curve out for a shoulder. I'm going to give her some curls. I've been into the curls lately, so I'm going to continue with the curls. So 1 line comes down and swirl at the end. Swirl at the end. We're going to just do a swirl here. 1 line comes down, swirl. And just do another swirl here for her curls. All right, let's do the top. So we're going to have a line coming out for her shoulder and a line coming out for her shoulder. So here we can see that she is a bigger girl, and it's okay. She can also be wearing padding because in hockey, it's a physical sport. So sometimes they're hitting each other and you need that padding, right? So we're going to have a line come down for her arm. I'm going to have that coming down, and then we're going to kick it out to the side for her glove. Okay. Now let's start to make the inside of her body. So from her shoulder, we're going to curve in and then curve out. Okay. We're going to keep going down. And now we're going to kind of make a triangle at the bottom for her shirt. You see that triangle? It's coming in, a triangle. Let's do that. So here, coming down. I'm going to stop right about where her chin is. That point it's going to be. And now let's bring it back up. Okay. We can start to work on this shoulder over here. Curve and come down. We're going to keep these elbows parallel. So right where the elbow is here, we're going to start here. So start to curve in. Now we can finish up the side of her body. We're going to come in. Okay. All right, let's finish up her arms. So from the corner where her shoulder is, we're going to curve and come down. Again, we're keeping her arms and elbows parallel. So we're going to come here and come out. We're going to make a rectangle or a square. Now we're going to make that rectangle for her glove. Okay. Let's do some fingers for the glove. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to have her hockey stick coming out. We don't see 5, the 5th one, the thumb. We have her hockey stick coming out. Actually, we need to make that going up. Apologize, her hand is a little bit. Well, let's do the hand here so we can have it better. So from here, we're going to do that square. Well, let's finish off her arm. Excuse me, I'm going all over the place. Let's finish off her arm here. I'm going to give her a square. Now a rectangle. We're going to give her a thumb, one thumb. Now we want her hockey stick to be held by both hands. So let me change the angle of this a little. So we're going to have it, the thumb. It's going to be coming underneath that thumb. Okay. Then we're going to curve it off to the side. Curve it off to the side. Okay. Let's have some fingers underneath. Okay. There you go. And again, it's okay if we don't see all the fingers. I'm just going to color that in a little bit for us. So easy to see. All right, so we have our top body. Let's do the details of her jersey, okay? So we're going to have some lines coming down the side. We're going to do the collar. We're going to do the stripe at the bottom. So I'm going to come out a little bit here and do that stripe. So just following the line here. Okay, having it go there. Having it here, having it here. Okay, just following that. Let's do a line here inside, just following it on down, coming along the line. Okay, I'm going to do a V shape for the crease by her elbow. V shape for the crease by her elbow. Let's do another V shape for her collar. V. Let's do a second V. We're going to color that one in. She has a jersey underneath. So let's do a line. Oops, let's do a curved line here. Then a curved line here. Okay, I think she's looking nice. We're going to put a C for Canada. It was hard for me to do that maple leaf. So we're just going to do a C. We're going to do a puck underneath. So here we have that circle. We're going to do a line on the side and then another circle. I'm going to color that in for the puck. And let's have a little bit of the sun coming out. Canada is known for its beautiful nature, so let's have a little bit of a sun. Half of a circle, long line, circle on the end, long line, circle on the end, long line, circle on the end, then lines in between. Okay. We're going to do a little bit of a crease here, show she's moving, so a V shape here. Yeah. Have this coming out. Let's do a V shape following the bottom of her shirt. Okay, have it come out a little bit. Okay, there we go. So that is the top part of our hockey player. How's it looking for you all? You happy with it? I think it's looking pretty good. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's do the shorts. So we're going to have a line coming down here. And we're going to come across and then come up towards that middle. Now she's going to have on some padding. So we're going to do a line coming down and a line coming down. So we could have it kind of going towards the middle part. Let me clean up a little bit. And then we're going to curve it at the bottom. Okay. So we're going to do a line here for her socks. So I'm going to do 2 lines, then another 2 lines for her socks. We're going to curve here for her padding. So just doing curve on the side, curve on the side, curve on the side, curve. Okay. We want to do a line down the side for her uniform, her shorts. Now I am running out of space, so I'm going to add on a little bit so you guys can see how to do the shoe. So with the shoe, we're going to do an oval shape. So oval shape. Okay. And then we're going to do a triangle at the bottom for the front of her blade, her skating blade. And then we're going to show some shoelaces. So we're just going to do some oval shapes here for her shoelace. Okay. And this is her first leg. How's it looking? How's it looking? Are you happy with it? Okay, let's work on that second leg. She's going to be kind of leaning towards the side. So we're going to have this one coming in towards the middle with an angle. We're going to have it curve up. Let's do some wrinkles here to show that's gathered one part of the short. And now we're going to do a curve oval for the other part. Under and over. Okay, let's start to do that stocking, the padding, padding. And then we're going to have padding, and then we're going to have the socks. Let's have it again at that angle. And we're going to do a curve at the bottom. Okay. So stripe, 2 lines, stripe, 2 lines, padding. We're going to do some curving on the side, curving on the side, curving, curving, curving on the side. Again, we're going to have that oval shape. Let me do that again. Sorry for that error. We're going to have here the bottom of the leg. We have the 2 stripes for the socks. We have the padding, padding, padding. Then we have that oval shape for her shoe. We're going to do little ovals for the laces and a triangle at the bottom for the front of the blade, skating blade. Okay. All right. I think she's looking lovely. What do you guys think? Let's put a puck down here. So circle, line coming down the sides, and then circle at the bottom, and kind of color that in. And that, my friend, is our soccer player. Our ice hockey player from Canada. Canada has the team that has won the most medals in female ice hockey. So they are known to be very good athletes, very good team players to win. So yeah, I hope you enjoy drawing her. I will be doing a series called Strong Women coming up soon, and we'll be looking at the different images of a strong woman and how to draw it. Thanks again. Thanks so much, everybody.